What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake social media platforms out there. Got a lot of people making these fake social media accounts acting like me, scamming people still. So please, just get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're getting what you pay for. Make sure you're getting legit business, and make sure you're not getting scammed. All right. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. Not telling anybody to go do anything. So let's get this thing started. So today, dropping gems. I'm gonna get on y'all about this credit. We gotta talk about credit. We gotta talk about credit, because this is how y'all gonna get rich. Credit's gonna allow y'all to be able to get this on a consistent basis. Be able to use other people's money. They're gonna give you money. You can go take out cash advances or whatever you need to take it out and get all this cash, right? But you gotta use it the right way. You gotta be able to get it, right? You gotta be able to know how to get it, right? Because a lot of people just think somebody can give them a loan. People want to know how to make these businesses, what type of businesses to run. People want to know all this type of stuff, right? So today I'm gonna drop some gems. Why credit is so important, and how credit will change your life. All right, so today it's a new day, a new dollar, a new journey, and a lot of people want to start a new life. So you need to be really paying attention to your credit. And I know there's a lot of people out there that don't take credit serious, that don't really want to build their credits. A lot of people that don't want to put in the effort, and I can't make nobody do nothing. But for the people out there that actually are serious about improving their life, elevating in life, becoming an entrepreneur, paying their self hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not millions, being a real boss, having employees, putting people in a position to win, not working a 9 to 5, not working for nobody else, but running your own business, doing what you love to do. These are for you type of people. These are for y'all, because there's a lot of people out there that want to, you know what I'm saying, just figure out how to do some type of scam, or figure out how to cut some quick corner to get some type of quick dollar, spend the money, and be right back in the same position, which is the silliest thing ever. Because at the end of the day, you're not going to be able to do anything unless you know how to do it. That's why every time you buy something from a store, what comes with it? Instructions. So you can properly know how to use the product that you're doing. It's a lot of people out here that buy things because they see other people using it or doing it or promoting it, and see them making money, but they don't know how to use it. They don't know how to do it. They don't have any tools or anything to be able to even make it happen. And then they get mad and like, oh, somebody scammed them or something. No, you just don't know what you're doing. You should have got the information first. You should have learned how to do what you wanted to do first before you just jumped in the deep end and try to do it, because no one's going to help you swim. And that's the problem with the world now. Everybody wants some money, but no one's willing to do what it takes to get the money. Everybody wants somebody to give some money to them. Everybody want to figure out how to get the next loan, how to cut some corner to get the next credit card, or cut the next corner to get some quick dollar. Everybody want to figure. I guarantee you this: if anybody out there right now, if anybody out there had an opportunity to get some type of quick dollar, 10, 20, I don't care who you was, no matter how, whatever way you was doing it, you would do it, because everybody wants a quick dollar. Nobody wants to work for what they want. Now, y'all do understand and see that the people who do make a lot of money, the people who are making tens of thousands of dollars on a consistent basis doing whatever they're doing it because A, they know what they're doing, and B, they're consistent with what they're doing. Anybody who knows something about something, they're consistent with it, they make a lot of money with it, point blank, period. And then you got the people like, man, I want to, what's a quick way to make this? Hey, I'm trying to make a quick this and a quick that, without learning how to do anything. That's why so many people in the world fall for cash app flips and things like that, because they just want a quick dollar. Why? Why wouldn't you just learn how to do whatever? And I'm not telling anybody to do anything illegal or nothing like that, but why wouldn't you just learn how to do something, make your own money consistently? Why wouldn't you learn how to do the cash or whatever to make your own money consistently? Because you got people out there doing certain things to make, you know what I'm saying? But that's because they know how to do it. A lot of things generate off credit. You know how to clean and build credit. You know how to build and generate a CPN, because it's the same process. It's the same process with a business credit. But y'all be stuck because y'all don't want to learn how to do anything. Y'all want somebody to do something for y'all and give y'all money, which is silly. So when I be making these videos about personal credit, telling y'all, oh, y'all not getting approved for these loans because it's just more than a credit score that they looking for. So why, like, as an adult, as a grown man or woman, wouldn't it feel good to have your business in order, have a good credit score, and be able to get anything that you want to get because your credit is good? Everybody want to make money. Well, how the rich get richer is off credit and loans. They build their personal credit up to a good amount. It's easy to build personal credit. All you gotta do is get them trade lines and let it marinate, let it age, let it mature. Because it's only 24 hours in a day. You're gonna end up forgetting about them loans in a couple months, and then you're gonna look at your credit score. You're gonna start it with a 550, and you're gonna look back, you got a 613 now. Now in the summer you can get any car that you want. Now you're gonna be mid-level tier. So you can get all mid-level cars. $50,000, $60,000 cars. Because your credit. And then you keep going and adding more, then it's going to get better, and you're going to be able to get higher limit things. $100,000 cars, $100,000 personal loans and stuff like that. But we're not getting personal loans that high. We're getting business loans that high. Because when you get a business loan, they know you're going to spend all that money. Just as long as you pay them back, they're cool. With no payment penalties. Because on the personal side, if you pay back a loan or anything faster than you're supposed to, like if you don't let any loan age out, mature out, like you don't make every payment, you pay it off early, that could have a negative effect on your credit score. Now, everybody on this channel that watch my videos, and if you're new on this channel or you just coming across this channel and video, you want to be a millionaire. Point blank period, right? You want to make a lot of money, and credit is going to do that. So when I'm telling y'all to clean y'all personal credit, it's not hard I'm giving y'all free sauce on how to build and clean y'all credit. Get an Experian account. Stop being so cheap and petty. Sometimes some people don't even got a bank account or debit cards, real accounts and cards to pay for it. So get that. It's not hard. Just go to your bank, take $30, put $5 in your savings, $25 in your checking. Now you got a bank account. Y'all, everybody out here making money. Everybody out here is so rich. That's how y'all make it seem on social media all day, every day. But then y'all come in my inbox. Oh man, I'm messed up. I'm this. I'm that. It's cool. It's okay. Nobody's perfect. I don't have $10 million. I definitely got more than 700,000. But it was hard work. I understand that. Okay. Life costs. In order to live, you got to pay bills. You got to pay for stuff. So if I got $1 million and I spend $1 out that $1 million, I'm no longer a millionaire. So I'm not going to become a multimillionaire saving money. I'm going to become a multimillionaire investing money. Now I understand. That I'm going to waste money trying to look good for people who who really don't matter. When I could be investing in certain things that's going to make me triple what I got. And live a certain life, getting paid while I kick my feet up. I'd rather invest my money. I'd rather invest this in a new business. I'd rather invest this into something that's going to generate me passive income. So that means if I go invest this money into something, boom, it's that whatever I invest in is going to start making money. And so every month I get kicked in. So I might get kicked in this month or more or whatever each month. But I ain't got to do nothing because I invested in it, and now I got to share that business, and now I get paid off that share. It could be a 50% share, a 75% share, whatever y'all work out. But 9 times out of 10, if you invest, you kick it off, you probably going to get, it's more likely 50%, half of what that business is making. Because 9 times out of 10, you invest into that business and that person, they didn't have what they needed you to invest. They had to You had the capital, they had the willpower. So boom, 50-50. Y'all get y'all personal credit together, decent enough. You ain't got to get it to an 850 all the way. Just get it decent in the 650s. Have your LLC. If you don't have it, start it. Get it established. Get your EIN numbers. Get all that. Websites, business number, email. Get your number registered with the 401 National Directory. Dun & Bradstreet number, Paydex, Paynet, Equifax business, UEI number, NAV account, get all that, right? So you got that 650 credit score. How you got a 650 how you went from 550 to 650? Because I showed y'all already about the supposed to have 5 credit mix, 5 credit cards on your credit account. Go to Trade Line Supply and get you 5 credit card accounts. Go to Credit Strong and get you them installment loans. So installment loans, Credit Strong. Revolving credit Strong. Credit limit, credit accounts, credit cards, Trade Line Supply. High limits too. You got 5 reporting, and then you go bust a move and go and then go get you see, this the trick. You add them trade lines, right? Once you add them trade lines, you boost your credit. You gonna boost your credit, right? Then you gonna go to one of these credit unions or small local banks. Start making deposits. They'll start sending you perks. You're gonna get you a $5,000 credit card on your personal side, right? Then you're gonna open your business, get established and all that. Start making deposits in your business account. $5,000. That's how you gonna use $10,000. You're gonna put $3,000 in your personal account and put $7,000 in your business account, right? Boom. Put $7,000 in your business account, right? Spread it out. Start building a relationship with that bank. Once you do that, go to that bank and say you need a note. You want to apply for a loan on the business side, right? With that bank that you got your relationship with. Don't give you a loan. Say you want to apply for a $50,000 loan. I'm not saying you're gonna get approved for that. It's all depending on what your paydex score is, your paynet score is, what you've been depositing into the bank. More than likely you will get close to it. Get you that loan, $50,000 no doc loan, right? Get you a $30,000 line of credit, right? So you got $50,000 in cash. So they give you $50K in cash. They will give you $35 in a line of credit, which means you got $35,000 to go buy whatever you need. So out this $35,000, whatever you need, you can take it out and you be responsible for that. So it's the same thing as a loan, but you're only responsible for what you use. So that's that's $85,000 right there, right? You got the $5,000 personal loan, right? Personal credit card. That's $90,000 right there, right? You'll get you another loan, a credit card for $10,000 on the personal side. You got you $100,000. You do that at 10 banks, you got you $1 million. You get you cash advances. You invest into what you want to invest in, and you run it up. That's the goal. That's how you finesse credit and do this. Forget trying to look good for people, because you got to think about it. You just want to buy chains and diamonds and all that. That add up. And there's only 24 hours in a day. You can sit back for a couple months, invest and build your stock up, build your income up. So when you start buying it, it make more sense. You got the jewels and you got more money. And you looking good. It's okay to sit back and grind for a couple months, because it's going to pay off. So make sure y'all paying attention to this credit and what I'm telling y'all about credit, personal and business, because credit will get you this. I'm going to show y'all how to finesse credit, business credit and personal credit, so y'all can get this. Y'all just got to pay attention. Y'all just got to listen to what I'm saying and hear what I'm saying and apply it to your own life, because I'm not telling y'all nothing that ain't true. All facts. I can go walk off the lot and get any car that I want right now, but it all got to make sense. It all got to be in the right position to do that, because a lot of people build their credit and go get some stuff that they can't afford. Stuff is expensive. Just because you got it don't mean people want to spend it. I done made over $10,000 100 times. That's $1 million. Showed y'all receipts and all type of stuff. Now it's time for me to start investing more, planting more seeds, making more passive income, elevating more, so I can turn more people into self-made millionaires too. The elevation is real. So stay tuned, man. Shout out to all my Real King Hustle fans, supporters, new fans, supporters, subscribers, all that. Because without y'all, there be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping the sauce. Y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. And y'all motivate me keep y'all getting this money. All right, so shout out to y'all. Anybody looking to get their credit lessons, you want me to teach you how to clean and build your credit and show you how to get these loans and all that, it's going to be $600. But you want me to do it for you, it's going to start at $1,500. So make sure y'all can get y'all new age credit repair, credit lessons today. Also, make sure y'all get y'all FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems, $1,200. All right, you're going to get the CPN sauce. You're going to get the documents. You can learn how to make thousands of dollars a day off social media. You're going to get the 42 methods, cash out methods. You're going to learn about the DW. You can get unlimited gems, unlimited self-explanatory, unlimited gems. All right, so whatever you want to know, unlimited gems, $1,200. FaceTime one-on-ones. All right. Mentorships is $2,500. You're going to get all that from unlimited gems. Plus, we're going to make money together. Passive income. I'm going to put you in a position to win. Yes, I will do that. We're going to make money together. So $2,500, you're going to get all unlimited gems. And we're going to make YouTube automation channels. However many you want to make, just make sure you stay consistent. Make sure you're ready to work. All right. Channel start making $10,000. You get 5, I get 5. The channel start making 20, you get 10, I get 10. All right. Easy as that. Split it right down the middle. Make sure you just stay consistent and ready to work. All right. Also, make sure y'all booking y'all seat right now on the crypto tour. In-person unlimited gems. Miami, Florida, Memorial Day weekend, May 26th through the 29th or 30th. 10 slots available, $3,500, $500 deposit. The rest of the money in person. I'm going to teach you all the information that you need to know. Unlimited gems. I'm going to give you cybersecurity sauce, hacker sauce, how to get, how to make passive income, how to invest, how to be blessed. I'm going to show y'all everything that you need to know. Plus, we're going to make some money together. Plus, I'm shooting blogs, music videos, skits, interviews, all that. So if you want to work, you want to tap in, you want to get in something, tap in. It's all good. You pay, you invest, so we can work. You never know. You might end up on a team. You never know. That's how a lot of stuff be happening, all right? So make sure y'all tapping in and coming to get y'all gems. Make sure I'm still looking for actors, rappers, models, producers, cameraman for the production company. So make sure y'all tapping in. Models, cameraman, especially any rappers or singers. Music reviews is $200. Tap in. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in. Come to get y'all gems. Make sure y'all follow me on all my social media platforms. Gonna run the followers up on my IG, King Hustle X1M, and the real King Hustle X1M. All the links are in my Instagram bio for everything else. Make sure y'all follow all my social media, YouTube channels. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. Make sure y'all go follow me on my Telegram because I'm doing I got all my business on there. Y'all missed the $5,000 giveaway I did. You missed out, so make sure you go follow me on there. Don't write me unless you got some money ready to do some business on there. So just tap in, man. It's your boy King Hustle. I'll see y'all at the next video. Y'all know how I get down at the end of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.